But now I want to get back into the swing of things and talk about what we're gonna spend my bag fund on. I don't know my own outro anymore because I haven't filmed in so long. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have some really good news. I got my tests back and everything is negative. You cannot imagine how relieved I was when I went to my blood test and the next day got my results back. They were super quick, which is obviously really, you know, great. Yeah, I mean, it was enough for me. The sixth surgery and then the syringe attack and the uncertainty for 6 weeks, the nausea that came with the medication. Everything is fine. But now I want to get back into the swing of things with you and talk about what we're going to spend my bag fund on. Because I did end up selling 16 bags. I decided to keep 2. Initially I wanted to sell 18 bags. But I decided to keep 2. And now we have a little bit of a bag fund. Guys, I have no idea what I want because there's so many things that I'm considering and I really want your help. The first thing that I was considering, and I don't know why, because I have never in my life been interested in watches. My husband's very interested in watches and he loves his watches. Like I never had any interest. However, of course, you guys know Bvlgari, my brand. I've been scrolling through their watches and surprise, you guys know, usually I'm a gold hardware girly. Most of my bags have gold hardware as well, but of course my wedding band and my engagement ring are platinum. And I like the idea of this Serpenti watch in just, you know, silver. I don't know why. I always thought I would want to go for a gold one, but to be honest, I mean, you can't run around with a gold Bvlgari watch. It's so dangerous in London anyway. Even taking one of my designer bags, I would not do it right now because London has become so dangerous. I think I would rather go for my Bvlgari bags or something like my Servet bag, something a lot more understated, or Bottega. I saw this picture as well and I don't know, like I think I would wear it here with my platinum rings, of course. Do you think, you know, having this beautiful snake wrapped around my arm? I was considering it. Please let me know if you're into watches and what you think about this idea. Okay guys, next up, a Birkin. Like I said in previous videos, I did have MS bags in the past. I had Birkin 35s because many years ago big bags were still the thing, and I mean they're way too heavy, way too big for me, so that's not going to happen again. I for the longest time thought that I wanted a Birkin 30 because of the ratio, leather to hardware ratio. Like it just looks, in my eyes, it looks better than a Birkin 25, which obviously has a lot, the hardware on a Birkin 25 is a lot smaller. However, I did keep looking. I like the idea of a Birkin 25 suddenly because, you know, I've been through a lot physically. I'm not strong anymore. Like I need to really build my muscles up again. I'm not able to hold a heavy bag. And even a Birkin 30 by itself, but then once you put your essentials into it, it's going to be too heavy for me. So the idea of maybe a Birkin 25, you know, teeny tiny bag, it's something I would like to consider. I think we're gonna do a little vlog series of sending my husband into MS and seeing what's gonna happen. The good thing with the Birkin is it's like it's a good investment. The moment you walk out of the MS boutique, it like doubles in value. Always a good investment, but does it give me butterflies? It doesn't really. And a bag that rather gives me butterflies, of course, is the new Bvlgari Palini bag. And just the dream, like imagine having a bag dripping in diamonds. I love that image. And when I saw the new Palini line, I was like, well, that's coming really close to that image. And they have this black one and they have a gold one. However, they are the price of a Birkin, so I'm not quite sure. I could see that bag be like my new me bag. and just wear it every day, everywhere, and really feel a connection and feel butterflies with that bag. Because guys, over these past months, obviously, I totally lost my passion for anything materialistic. I lost my passion for bags, for fashion. I feel like now, slowly, I do enjoy looking for autumn, winter. I mean, autumn is my favorite time of the year anyway. I do enjoy looking for autumn and winter clothes again. Bvlgari also came out with a beautiful new Caron tiny little clutch. I think it's called the phone case, but it's a clutch. It can hold a lot more. I tried it on in different colors at some point many months ago, and I love that idea. And I always wanted to have a green Caron Bvlgari bag. Yeah, a green little Caron bag, you know, that's really lightweight as well. Yeah, guys, let me know what you're thinking so far and what you would spend your money on. Oh God. And then, I don't know, Denise, hi, if you're watching, she's probably gonna be proud of me. I gotten more and more into jewelry. I've been looking at jewelry pieces and I found this incredible brand. It's called Yepram. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm sorry if I butcher the name. And wow, they are pieces. It's fine jewelry. You know, they have quite a price tag. And I saw this ring first and I was like, this is so beautiful. I don't know why. Blue is usually absolutely not my color, but I loved it. And then I kept looking and I found this snake-like ring. It's just diamonds with a big emerald, and I fell so in love, and I've been coming to visit that page every day and I've been looking. Do you do that? I don't know. I'm just... Also, guys, what I've been wanting for years at this point is a Bottega shilling bag. And I am so sad that I missed out a couple of years ago when they had these beautiful rose, purple, lilac colors, amethyst colors, and I've been looking on the pre-loved market ever since for these two. However, I want one that's new, that's not used, because if you use them and you don't treat them right, shearling is it looks a lot different after a couple of uses, you know, especially if you wear it in the rain or something like that. So I really want a new one. I really still dream of that bag every time autumn and winter's coming around again. Also, guys, I've been looking at Nur Hamur. Again, if I butcher the name, I'm super sorry. Coats, and they have so many beautiful coats. Many of them are with shearling as well. And if anybody of you ever had a Nur Hamur coat, let me know, because I want to know how the quality is, how the materials feel like, if they really as great as they look like on, you know, screen. I've never seen them in real life. I don't even know if they have a shop in London. Also, in case I do not get a Birkin from the boutique first try, I've been looking on the pre-loved market, and I found this incredible cognac ostrich Birkin 30. And it just reminds me of Lily van der Woodsen, because she was in Gossip Girl always wearing this, I think in 35. This is size 30, but she was wearing it in size 35. And we all know that the actress who played Lily van der Woodsen, that she actually used her own Birkins, her own Hermes bags during the filming of Gossip Girl. That was her own private collection that she brought to set and used. And I just love this cognac Birkin so much, and I think it's quite reasonably priced for an exotic. And yeah, so I cannot forget about this one. This is in the back of my mind and I think it will stay there. Also, I have no idea what color I want. For the longest time now I thought I wanted a white Birkin 25, any kind of whitish creamish color. However, I don't know. Black, the good old black and gold, you know, will go with everything. I was looking into pink shades. This pink I really liked, however it was a very seasonal color. I don't think it's easy to find that bag, especially in this size I want. So do let me know what you think I should do. I found this tiny little Fendi Peekaboo on the pre-loved market, and it is in crook, and it's such a good price, and I've been dreaming about it ever since I saw it. Even though it has a silver handle, I just love it so much. But also they have a new mini micro Fendi Peekaboo at Fendi at the moment in Caron leather as well, in natural Caron, and it is so stunning. It is so beautiful. So those are in the run. You guys know I love my Savette bag, and I really have been wearing it when I was still in a lot of pain. It's a very comfortable bag that kind of lies on your underarm and you can carry it. It's practical, it's lightweight, it looks really beautiful in my opinion, and they come out with so many new beautiful suede colors for autumn and winter. Looking at the mink suede, I think, looking at the espresso suede, and I don't know, you know, I have to be honest, I love Sabato. Labubus, I don't know if you have seen my Labubu short with the most special Labubu you will ever see. I am happy with mine. And I don't think I need anything else. However, they're coming out with Labubu V4 now, right? The tiny mini ones. Let's not talk about the price because it's getting absolutely ridiculous for the fact that the new ones have just like printed on face. They don't have the beautiful eyes anymore because they're like half the size. They are the same price as these. And I think the entire new set is like $600 something or $700, which is... okay. However, I do have so many now, and my entire room upstairs is full of Labubus. So I think I'm good. I think I'm going to pass on these small ones. But do let me know if you are thinking of getting the small ones and how you... because I think they look like Lafufus in my opinion. Okay guys, and for anybody who is wondering, this is the only bag that I still have left that I want to sell. This is my VERSACE Medusa bag. And, you know, it's incredible. I have never worn this even once. So if you're interested in getting this, let me know. This is the only one still up for sale. Everything else is gone. Also, what I've been thinking about for a long time is the Schiaparelli bag. And ever since I saw the, it looks like a Bottega Jodie almost, with a longer handle, and they come in a massive size, which is too big, and a tiny size, which is unfortunately too small to wear it over a winter coat. But I love that bag. It's called the Anatomy bag, and I really would like to have one of those, but I would prefer it if they make it in a medium size. But they come out with so many beautiful colors and designs and pattern mixed with suede, and it's just incredibly beautiful. So yeah, I think that was everything that I'm currently craving. Okay guys, so that was it. Please do share your opinion with me and let me know what's on your wish list and what you might want to get for this upcoming autumn and winter season. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and I don't know my own outro anymore because I haven't filmed in so long. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, here we go. Okay guys, I see you again very soon. Bye.